What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken. I'm back with another video. I've been working really hard on my safety score. No, I wasn't driving like a grandma or anything like that, but I did get the full self-driving beta that I'm bringing to my channel, which is awesome. I did receive the 2021.32.25 update Sunday night, Monday morning at 12:02 a.m. I will show you in this video my drive to work. You can see there it was nothing there, no people, but it kind of stopped. I had to give it gas. So we're gonna just fast forward this part. It's doing a really good job picking up everything. And it kind of definitely turned the wheel from that truck. I don't know why, the truck was kind of far back, but I made a mistake and disengaged FSD beta for some reason, but I turned it right back on. You see in FSD beta is it'll creep forward and then it will take off. It's very confident. Once it makes that turn, it's going to take off. So I'm fast forwarding that a little bit until we get to the end of this road where the stop sign, and stop it there. And it's creeping forward, it's checking it out. I don't know how it's seeing. I can't really see, so I kind of freak out. And I'm checking out each side of the road, both sides. So it's doing good here. I had to adjust the cruise control because it was reading 25 when the speed limit was 35. And let's see if it picks a lane. Usually I'll go to work straight. I'll go straight. But it picked the, I won't say the longer way, but it's more traffic and more lights. Of course, not a lot of traffic compared to other places, but I was a little nervous. I had to press the pedal a little bit to have it go ahead. There were some cars coming, but you can see it's going a little bit. But once I let off of that pedal, it takes off. Pretty much it floors it. So we're gonna just fast forward this. It's doing fairly well. But it's going to get to a part where I think it really depends on your state. Whenever you are crossing an intersection and switching lanes at the same time. And I've lived in states where that's breaking a law or something like that. Y'all let me know. I really don't know, but that clearly did that. You can see cars are now in blue. You saw that SUV light up as blue, which is kind of cool. Now it's going to turn into a left turn single here. It's got 2 lanes to turn. It gets in the leftmost lane. And then we're just definitely going to fast forward this. But before this starts, I will tell you what's going to happen is it's just going to sit there. It's already pre-planned the turn, but it didn't go anywhere. So I pressed the accelerator a little bit, and then it just confidently turned perfectly in there with that car on the right side, with the car sitting in the left turning lane on the left side of it. Did really well. So we'll go past this, and this is another, I don't really know if it ran the red light or not, but we'll see. So right here you'll see the light turns yellow, and then right underneath it, it's red. Do you think it should have stopped? Did it have plenty of time? It probably would have, but it slammed on its brakes. But to me, that's running a red light. I don't really know. I don't even remember if I reported that. So we're just gonna keep going past all this. I'm just kind of showing you it slows down for traffic so much better. than autopilot to me. It used to be very janky with autopilot. The same thing with autopilot. When a car turns off the road, it really kind of over slows down, even if that's a word. But you'll see another perfect stop at a red light. Maybe this won't happen all the time, but in this drive, it happened really well. So one moment here, you're gonna see autopilot want to turn into the turn-in lane, but then it says no. I don't know why it wanted to, because the navigation clearly is a little bit up ahead. It'll be past like this gas station right here, and it's gonna do a turn in there, but there's another truck coming. It was almost like a head-on, but the truck decided not to. So I think it reacted fairly well because it didn't freak out. I mean, the truck moved out of the turn lane. I don't know what it would have done, but the truck probably was going to turn before we met anyway with that road. And we're getting close to my job. It's making a good turn here, and it's pretty much stopping just right there in the middle of the road. I turn it off. It made it. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see, since my channel now has FSD beta and not just regular autopilot. And also hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you see fit. This is YouTube Ken. I'll see you in the next video.